Hello and welcome to another Artful Bodger video. Today I'm going to show you a very quick and easy method to fit an Ikea Melodi lampshade to a standard ceiling rose like this with no electrical experience necessary. Keep watching. Now, even though I said no electrical experience necessary, you do need to take electricity very, very seriously. And the first thing you need to do is to turn your light on, check it goes on, then you need to go and find your fuse box and you need to turn the lighting circuit off. You may have a few different lighting circuits, so you need to find the one that turns your light off. Okay, once you've turned the power off, use the switch again just to double check that the power is definitely off to the light. Now, this is a very simple job. You will need one main tool, and it is this. It's a set of wire strippers, very, very clever design. I am going to put a link to that in the description. You'll also need a screwdriver and you'll need some cable ties. First thing to do is put this connector block through the ceiling bowl here. Then it's time to be brave and cut the cable. Now you can actually do that using this tool, using this part of the tool here. So just do this. There we go, no turning back now. Take the cover off. Use this tool now to strip it. When you strip this outer plastic, just make sure that the blue and the brown covering is still intact and there's no wire showing through. I found if you cut at a slight angle with this tool, it seems to work better. So we now have two wires exposed here. Now, if you're not an expert in electrics, the blue one is neutral, and I'm going to strip the end of that, and the brown one is live. So what you do is loosen off the two screws holding the ceiling rose up, and then you get a cable tie, and you run it behind the screw, like so. Now because I've got short cable ties, I'm going to connect one. Okay, you do that on both sides. So you can see that. Now you take this thing and you want to put those cable ties, both of them, through this hole, through that hole there, like this. So I'm gonna tighten this up. Okay, so we have two sets of cable ties. And what we need to do is just give them a bit of a tighten. And you want that hook there to be pretty much in the center. So you decide how high you want your lamp. You put a little bend in the wire, you stick it through this hole here, and then you close this little door, and then pull it tight, and then you see here you push that like that. Final thing, you connect this up, so you connect the blue to the blue. You twist these if they need twisting, ensuring the power is off. Connect the blue wire to the blue, and the brown to the brown. So you squeeze the block to open the clamps, you push the wires in. What you want is the metal to go in right up until the plastic insulation. Then you tighten the screws back up. This junction box just clips in here, you see? And then the rest of this cable just sits inside the little cup. In fact, just tighten it a little bit more. it bubbles through, and then you just do screw up here. And you have a super neat fitting. So now all you've got to do is pop the actual lampshade onto the fitting like this, pop the bulb in, pop the power on, and all should be well. Make sure the ceiling cup is done up before you turn the power on, and if you do need to take it off again, turn the power off first. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, please do click the subscribe button and click the like button. And if you want to buy the tool that I use in this video, please do click the link below. It does help the channel out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.